the boAt Airdopes 91 Prime, a sleek and stylish pair of true wireless earbuds designed to elevate your audio experience. Elevate your audio experience with 13mm drivers delivering signature sound, complemented by touch controls for effortless operation. Embrace the 50 milliseconds low latency beast mode for seamless performance, while the ENx technology ensures crystal clear calls. A power-packed audio companion with 45 hours of total playback time, ASAP charge for quick power, and 120 minutes of play from just a 10-minute charge. A sleek and compact design with a metallic finish for a premium look, IPX4 water and sweat resistant, this product exudes style and durability. Elevate your audio experience with Bluetooth V5.3 for seamless connectivity and the Insta-Wake and Pair feature that simplifies pairing. Uncover and explore the invaluable customer ratings for the product, providing insightful feedback and opinion to guide your decision-making process. Elevate your audio experience with TWS earbuds, additional earbuds for versatility, a user manual, and a charging cable, all neatly packaged.